Superfoods for beginners. The 7 must-haves. These foods are packed with goodness. Did you know that some foods are not only delicious but also true health wonders? Stay tuned to discover the 7 superfoods that can change your life. We all know that a balanced diet is important, but these superfoods take it to the next level. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and can boost your immune system, increase your energy, and even prevent diseases. Sounds good? It is. Long-term studies have shown that these superfoods offer incredible benefits. And don't worry, I'll also show you how to easily incorporate them into your everyday life. So let's dive into the fascinating world of superfoods. Our first stop on this superfood journey takes us to the sunny south, more specifically to Mexico, because that's where our first powerhouse grows, the avocado. But is the avocado really as good as everyone says? I say, yes! The avocado is much more than just a tasty spread for bread or the base for guacamole. It's a real nutrient miracle. Did you know that avocados contain more potassium than bananas? Potassium is important for our muscles and nerves and can even help regulate blood pressure. But that's not all. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fatty acids. Sounds complicated, but it's actually quite simple. These fats are good for our heart and can help lower cholesterol. And studies show people who regularly eat avocado have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Sounds like a good reason to reach for an avocado more often, right? But what's the best way to incorporate avocados into your everyday life? It's easy. You can eat them on bread, add them to smoothies, spice up salads, or simply enjoy them plain. There are no limits to your creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Make the avocado your daily companion and benefit from its incredible advantages. Let's move on to another superfood that's not only incredibly delicious, but also extremely healthy: the blueberry. These little blue wonders are full of surprises. Blueberries are true antioxidant powerhouses. Antioxidants protect our cells from harmful things and can even help prevent premature skin aging. Who wouldn't want that? But that's not all. Studies have shown that blueberries can have positive effects on our brains. They can improve memory and even protect against Alzheimer's. And our hearts also benefit from these little blue powerhouses. Blueberries can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. But blueberries can do even more. Did you know that they are also good for our eyes? They contain special plant compounds that can improve vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some blueberries and do something good for your body. Whether in muesli, yogurt, a smoothie, or just plain, blueberries are always a treat. Kale, once known as a boring winter vegetable, is making a comeback as a real superfood. And for good reason, because kale has some hidden talents. Kale is a real vitamin and mineral powerhouse. It has more vitamin C than oranges, more vitamin A than carrots, and more calcium than milk. Sounds unbelievable? It's true. Vitamin C strengthens our immune system and protects us from colds. Vitamin A is important for our eyes and our skin. And we need calcium for strong bones and teeth. But kale can do even more. It also contains a large amount of antioxidants, which protect our cells from harmful things. Studies have shown that kale can lower the risk of different types of cancer, improve cholesterol levels, and even reduce inflammation. You might be wondering, how can I add this green superstar to my meals? It's easy. You can boil, steam, fry, or even eat kale raw. Try a tasty kale smoothie or a crunchy kale salad. So give kale a try and let its superpowers convince you. Turmeric, the golden wonder weapon from India. Our journey continues to India, the land of spices and colors. Here we meet our next superfood, turmeric. Turmeric is more than just a spice that gives our food a beautiful yellow color. Turmeric is a true wonder weapon of nature. The secret of turmeric lies in its main ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin has strong anti-inflammatory properties and is a real power antioxidant. Studies have shown that turmeric can help in the treatment of chronic inflammation like arthritis. But turmeric is also credited with positive effects on other diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, and heart disease. But turmeric can do even more. It can improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and even lift your mood. How do you best integrate turmeric into your everyday life? It's simple. You can use turmeric to season curries, soups, and sauces. But turmeric is also great in a smoothie or a golden latte. So, let yourself be convinced by the golden power of turmeric and integrate it into your diet. Our superfood journey continues to South America, more specifically to the Andes Mountains. A very special grain has been growing there for thousands of years. Quinoa. The Incas called quinoa the mother grain, and already knew about its special powers back then. Quinoa is a real powerhouse and a great alternative to rice or couscous. What makes quinoa so special? Quinoa is a gluten-free pseudo-cereal, making it suitable for people with gluten intolerance. But that's not all. Quinoa is an excellent source of protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which is important for healthy digestion. Fiber keeps you feeling full for a long time and can help with weight loss. Did you know that quinoa is also a good source of iron? Iron is important for carrying oxygen in your blood and prevents tiredness and fatigue. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and easy to add to your diet. You can use quinoa as a side dish, in salads, in soups, or as a base for delicious bowls. So, what are you waiting for? Try quinoa and experience its superpowers. Our journey continues to the Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the world. Here, surrounded by untouched nature, grow our next superstars, goji berries. Goji berries have been valued in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years and are considered a symbol of a long and healthy life. Goji berries are little red powerhouses bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our cells from harmful influences and can help prevent diseases. Goji berries also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and zinc. Studies have shown that goji berries can strengthen the immune system, improve eyesight, and even lower cholesterol. Goji berries are also credited with having a positive effect on mood and sleep. Goji berries taste slightly sweet and are a bit like cranberries. You can snack on them plain, mix them into cereal, add them to smoothies, or put them in your salad. So what are you waiting for? Grab these red diamonds from the Himalayas and benefit. Our last stop on our superfood journey takes us back to Mexico. Here we meet an unassuming superfood that packs a punch: chia seeds. Chia seeds were an important food for the ancient Aztecs and were valued for their energy-boosting effects. Chia seeds are tiny, but they are mighty. They are packed with nutrients and full of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for our heart health, lower cholesterol, and can even reduce inflammation in the body. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of fiber, which is important for healthy digestion. Fiber keeps you feeling full for a long time and can help with weight loss. Did you know that chia seeds swell up and form a gel-like consistency when they come into contact with liquid? This makes them the ideal ingredient for pudding, jam, or as an egg substitute in vegan dishes. You can also simply mix chia seeds into your yogurt, granola, or smoothie. So, what are you waiting for? Add chia seeds to your diet and benefit from their incredible advantages. So, those were 7 superfoods that you should definitely add to your diet. But remember, it's not about changing everything overnight. Start small and try different things. You'll see, it's easier than you think. Have you tried any of these superfoods yet? Share your experiences in the comments and let us know which superfoods you like best. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about health, nutrition, and wellness. See you next time and stay healthy.